Welcome to our channel. Learn with Funways always. For calm learning and strong foundations. In Level 0, Lesson 2, we practice the vertical line. A vertical line moves from top to bottom. Watch carefully as the line moves slowly from top to bottom. Let's practice together. Keep practicing. Practice slowly and calmly. This helps build good control.
More calm learning videos are coming on our channel. Learn with Funways always. For calm learning and strong foundations.